I think what we need to have is a plan for, we're going to create a Plaid Cymru's economic plan. We also need to make sure we've got a plan to ensure the viability and sustainability of communities in the long term, and that's Welsh-speaking communities and non-Welsh-speaking communities. And we've been very clear that it's the economy and the stimulation of the economy that is going to be key to ensuring that people are able to remain in communities if that's what they want to do and have a viable future within them. So job creation and measures to ensure the viability of our communities is something that will be central to our programme of government. We also we have opportunities through the education system, and some of the research that I've been looking at recently around the ability for multilingualism to raise standards in education is quite exciting. And we've seen that if you are bilingual or trilingual or multilingual, then your mind is opened up to other disciplines too, like maths and science and so on. So I think that there's potential there. We've got 2 languages in this country. And if all of our children can be given the gift of bilingualism, and there are huge challenges to achieving that, not least training teachers and so on, and persuading people that it's a good educational thing to do, then I think there's a potential there for us to seriously boost the numbers of people who are able to speak in both Welsh and English. But the cuts are seriously threatening all of this development. I live in Rhondda. Since my father was a child, provision of education has been available for people from the age of 3 in Rhondda. That is now under threat because of the cuts. Children who are currently full-time in school at 3 will be made to go part-time from Easter. The children in Welsh medium education invariably have to travel by bus. Free transport is being removed, and the parents on my daughter's bus stop, because she's in Welsh medium school, with 3 to 5-year-olds are saying, well, my little Johnny won't be going to Bronllwyn in the future because we don't have a car and we won't be able to go and collect him at lunchtime. So I'm going to be pulling him out of there now, and he'll go to the local English medium school. So these are big threats for the future of the Welsh language in Rhondda. I don't know where we're going to have, what the future of it is if these cuts are allowed to go ahead. So there are grave threats of our own making in some ways, because we can choose to continue to provide that education if we think it's important. But clearly the priorities of the local council are as they are, and they are talking about removing that vital service.